It doesn't take a genius to work out what's going to go on here. There's a red light, a van and a couple of private hire drivers.
Not sure where they're going. Well done.
This happens all the time at this junction. So much so that it's not the only clip we've got like this month.
Forward. When's your mirror going around this corner? Go slower and go into first, but not stop. Got to be gentle a little.
Yeah.
Not brake and bike. No, clutch down. Mirror going around that corner. Stop. Stop. Okay, because he's turning in from the wrong side of the road. Just literally stop in that scenario. Now budge forward again. Good.
Here's the other clip. Have a look at the driver on how he looks inside my car. Do you think he's seen some of my driving fails and he's got that sinking feeling he's just made it onto them?
And that's why you look left.
Absolutely, yes.
The distance from the back of this lorry to the traffic lights is critical for this clip, because it's where the one behind sees the lights change. But they still decide to go through.
Now, we're going to turn left at these lights coming up. Look at the traffic moving.
Impatience to get past the learner driver is par for the course.
Yeah, keep to your left hand side. Keep to your left hand side. Good. And which way are we going? Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. But now be careful. Go slow and look as far around the corner as you can. Good. Okay, off we go. This lady to your right just tried to overtake you as well, coming up to the junction. They're all out this evening.
Pulling out in front of the learner is also common.
It was on 80 the other week, so
Yeah.
I don't know.
Just slow then. Clutch down, slow down. Off the brake. Why people do that to driving schools, God only knows, but just react in a smooth manner with it, mate. You're okay. You won't get that when you haven't got L plates on, mate.
People just take risks.
Standard. Stop here. Stop here. Messing about with your speed.
This is later on in exactly the same lesson.
Keep things flowing and moving. Just back off.
It's not just in front of you, is it? You've got to
No, it's
look
everything.
quite far.
Absolutely. That was quite interesting that he pulled out on us,
Yeah. And then someone's on the
and then
same.
someone did the same to him, and he's on the horn. Quite
Double
comical.
standards.
Quite comical.
How bad is red light jumping where you live? In Liverpool, it's absolutely awful. It's every few minutes. In this clip, I thought the first corner cut was extreme. How can anyone get a McDonald's drive-through so wrong? I wasn't driving, but I had to show you it. This clip epitomises the horrible attitude that some people have towards driving schools.
Yeah.
It's the lady in the red top.
Change your feet. It's important. Next sharp left, please. This one here, what's it like? Use your brake more. Use your brake more. Give yourself more time. What gear are you going to pick? Good. Just hang back for the ladies then. Good. Left mirror around the bend. What does she say? Now you're not going to pass. Why? Because we slowed down and let them go.
Yeah.
Amazing, aren't they?
That's why she's walking.
That's why she's walking. Adam, the classic, mate.
Notice nothing is said at the time of this van pulling out in front of us, because it's the norm.
Do you think he would have pulled out there if we were a police car? Probably not. You'd be glad to get the L plates off, Ellie, won't you?
And this poor overtake wasn't even discussed.
Bring that clutch back up. Done. Don't forget it will idle, won't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I always forget when it can do. Yeah, I always forget when I can idle speed.
Yeah.
After 200 yards, turn right.
Idling
Then
second
bear left.
is about 10 miles an hour.
Watch the motorcyclist in the distance from the opposite direction. He pulls a wheelie and nearly comes a cropper.
No, he just got beat. He was badly beat up, yeah.
He wants to die, that young man.
Obviously.
This clip shows a great example of a couple of road users who have no idea about how much space a lorry needs to turn. Watch both to the right and now to the left.
That one nearly just crashed straight into it.
Yep.
Hold back. What are people doing today?
I know, that's 3 already.
Both of them.
Yeah.
Volkswagen, 0 out of 10. Blue Nissan,
Duke,
0 out of 10.
Even though it looked as though the lorry didn't signal, would you have started to go past or pull out?